Oh, ladies and gentlemen, bear with me, please. I don't have my microphone installed right now, but I just want to do a quick update regarding this new little part of the website called feedback. Okay, so this is obviously to do with not the website, but the Obsidian plugin, right? So, we just got this started, but already we have some really helpful individuals. So congratulations to them. Really, really amazing job so far, really helping me organize everything, the roadmap, and so on and so forth. So, the way that I'm prioritizing these things is kind of like on a visual level. I'm trying to take like the most upvoted ones. Now, keep in mind, I just released this a little less than 24 hours ago. So, you just go into SystemSculpt.com, click the little feedback thing, and then anything regarding the plugin, you're able to just let me know, what to update. I don't want to give too much away. You probably saw that. You could take a screenshot of that. But I'm working on a few updated templates and all that jazz. And not to mention, I really love the amount of downloads I'm seeing regarding the glitch persona. So a lot of people are really enjoying that. I'm glad. Again, you can get it on the website. You just hop into, let me show you, resources. Obviously, you just sign in with like your Google account or whatever, right? And then here you'll have a glitch persona template. You can just click get now and it downloads it for you. And then you just, it's a markdown file. It's a .md. And then you just pop it into your vault and boom, you're set to go. But back to the main topic here, feedback. I'm really liking the way that this is all panning out, and you're able to not only give like advice for features, right? Feature requests. We only have 2 sections right now, just to keep it simple, right? Yeah, feature requests, and then you have bug reports. Okay, so this really lets me kind of hone in on certain things, especially if it's like a bug that affects everyone. Then this is definitely the place to see where it is along the process of development and getting fixed. So just a little quick update. Thank you so much for watching. And this is not counting as like today's video. I still have a much longer full-fledged video. But feedback of any kind, please pop it in here. It's so easy, so flawless, so simple. Beautiful process. You just click this little submit feedback thingy, right? You just type in, hey, I want something, right? And then you type in what special kind of something you want, and then you just click submit. Or maybe something is broken, so you type in, hey, this something is broken, and then you type in the details about the something that is broken. And then, see, the thing about AI is, and now it lets you like change, you saw that little pop up there, right? You can change, put it into bug reports, because it like automatically detects like, oh, this is, seemingly a bug report, right? But anyway, you get the gist, you get the idea. You can upvote things, right? And so the way that I have it organized is, when I click top, I'm able to see, okay, what are people most wanting, right? Whether it's bug fixes or new features, where are things ranking right now? And the roadmap is really nice for me personally, because I can see, okay, geez, what's the next thing I should work on? So right now I'm doing this favorites and fast model thing. Then I have all these things I'm going to line up next, right? These are all kind of all in one, right? In terms of like being centered around transcription and recorder and so on and so forth. I really like all of these ideas, so I'm putting all of these next up. And there's nothing done yet because, like I said, I just set this up yesterday. But I'm excited to see that fill up as well, like all the things that we've done together, right? Super excited again. And I don't want to take up too much of your time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. I'll see you soon, not tomorrow, later today, depending on where you are in the world, but in the US, later today.